Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is Java 2, Week 3, Term 1306, and this week did not go very well for me. Um, you'll notice my app is actually back to where it was for last week, and that is because due to a lot of problems I hit just with what I was trying to do, and with Eclipse, I'm basically restarting. So, I mean, it works a little better than last week, so I'll show you that, and I'll talk about the talking points. But there really is not much code to go forward, go over. So, here is a screen. Let me get all this running for you. Hopefully, it'll actually run. So, I normally use my other machine for development, and it completely tanked this week for Eclipse, and then I switched to using my Mac, and that completely tanked. So that was fun. Anyways, 85392, that's my zip code. Get weather. Um, you can kind of see more. I actually have the list view working now, which I didn't have working quite right last week. And it's having a caching problem. This button that's in the middle, the more information, the one that I'm tapping a bunch of times, that doesn't exist in the code anymore. And so this kind of goes along with some of the problems I'm hitting with Eclipse, where it's not keeping up with anything. So I'll just throw that to the side now, and I'll just talk about the stuff for this week. So what library did I find, and why did I choose to use it? I ended up going with, what you call it? It's the, give me a minute. Can't remember what it's called. Action Bar Sherlock. And it really wasn't what I originally wanted to go with. I wasted a lot of time trying to find something that I did want to go with and I couldn't find. So I chose this one because it seemed like it would be a good one to implement, a good one to learn for future applications. Another one that I was eyeing was this one that's called like Hollow Everything, which is another one to make it so that you can have a 4.0 plus type feel on your app, no matter what operating system is using it. And so you have to be careful with that because not all of them will be used to it on like 2.3 and 2.2. But it is nice if you want to have a little more consistency in your design. And that's kind of why I chose that, even though I wasn't able to completely implement it yet. Does the availability of libraries change your outlook? I knew from the beginning that Java was about libraries. That's one of the things that makes it so configurable. So I'm really excited to see us actually using them now. That said, I do wish there was some better databases of them, I guess, for Android at least. I found a few sites that had a bunch of them on them, but they all basically had the same ones, and none of them were really utilizable for me on this, besides the Action Bar Sherlock and Hollow Everything. What would I have done differently? Probably would have started earlier. I mean, I hit a lot of problems with the code, and I hit a ton of problems with Eclipse this week, but it still came down to I started too late in the week, I think, to really be effective on this project. So that would be the main thing I would have done differently. And a few things I could use more clarification. Maybe intents. I was having some problems with them. I know not everybody was having problems with them, so it might just be a me thing and not a problem with the program or anything like that. But I think it would be nice to have maybe a video or something talking about some of the stuff for this week. I do a lot better with videos than I do with just reading. So for me, that would be the main thing. Anyways, I hope your guys' week went a lot better than mine. I'm going to be posting this tonight, but I'm also going to be seeing if I can maybe post another video tomorrow or something like that, because hopefully I'll actually have stuff working so I can actually log that. But like I said, I hope your guys' week went really well this week, and I hope your final week of this class goes awesome. Thank you. I'm Nathan, and good night.